CMP, 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 aka coolmenproductions. CMP, 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 aka coolmenproductions. It's time to have coolness and love. Hey y'all, what is up y'all? It's your boy G-Man here. Welcome back to a new video. Guys, read this title, 7 years. It is my 7th anniversary of being the one and only G-ManHere. But now I'm going to take you a little tour around the new car. But let's get on this journey. Alright, here it is, guys. The 2008 Honda Santa Fe sport car. Good thing about this, high-tech remote. It's like my key is a switchblade. But let's get in the car. Alright guys, here's what's inside. Bluetooth CD player where I can play my Snow Patrol albums. That's where I hold my phone. Glove compartment. And then there's the back seats. Having this feels like I'm a husband and a father. But let's get on the road. You hear this? It's just like we released the Panther. Get it? In the scene in Mike's new car. Alright, so far I just finished lunch. Sorry I haven't been recording much. But let's continue on. Update you guys. I'm about to give my new car their first ever car wash. Smells really good of the soap. Well guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Thanks so much for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe. I know this is a short video, and I hope you enjoyed the new car I have. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe. Comment below what should I do for some future videos and for the new car. But anyway, I love you all. And until next time on CMP, and G-ManHere will always be here. CMP, 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 aka coolmenproductions. CMP, CMP, CMP.